Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make sustainable city model. Start by defining clear goals and a consistent scale, then sketch zones for housing, transit, green space, and industry. Use recycled cardboard, foam, and paper for structures, and plan modular sections for easy adjustments. Focus on visible sustainable features like rooftop gardens, rainwater collection, bike lanes, and solar panels to tell a clear design story to viewers and judges. Choose mostly recycled materials and low VOC supplies to keep the project sustainable and safe. Collect cardboard, paper, scrap plastic, and biodegradable fillers and use water-based glue and paint. For interactive elements, pick energy-efficient LEDs and low-voltage microcontrollers and plan battery access for easy replacement. Keep tools minimal, scalpel, ruler, glue gun, and protect work surfaces to reduce mistakes and material waste during construction and assembly. Prioritize visible sustainable systems for clarity and impact, such as rooftop solar panels, a small turbine, and labeled water recycling features. Add green roofs, permeable streets, and rain gardens to illustrate runoff control and biodiversity. Make transit prominent by modeling bus routes, light rail, and bike lanes to show mobility solutions that reduce car use. Use clear labeling and color coding, so each sustainability measure reads instantly during presentations.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.